Hello, everyone. Welcome to SEOCurrent's YouTube channel. In this digital world, it is a significant platform to increase your expertise in the field of search engine optimization. Today, we are going to focus on an important topic that helps get your website noticed by Google: indexing. Let's say you have recently launched a new website, but how do you ensure that it appears in Google's search results? Here are 7 important ways that will help your website get indexed on Google. Create a sitemap. Think of your website sitemap as a roadmap for search engines. By submitting a sitemap to Google Search Console, you are essentially telling Google where to find all the important pages on your site. Submit your URL. Don't wait for your site to be indexed on Google. Go to Google Search Console and submit the URLs of your website pages. This speeds up the indexing process a lot. Leverage social media. Share your website on your social media platforms. This drives traffic directly to your site and also signals to Google that indexing your site is really important. Create quality content. In the SEO world, content is king. Publishing high-quality and relevant content on a regular basis not only attracts visitors, but also encourages Google to find and index your site more often. Internal linking. You can make the navigation of your website even easier by doing internal linking on the pages of the website. This not only helps with indexing, but also improves the overall user experience. Monitor crawl errors. Keep an eye out for any crawl errors or issues on the Google Search Console that may prevent your site from being indexed. Addressing these immediately will ensure that Google can access and index your site without any issues. So there you have it, 7 actionable strategies for you to help Google index your new website. Remember, indexing is just the first step to improving your site's visibility and ranking. For more expert tips and personalized SEO solutions, contact SEOCurrent today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click here now and like the video.